Welcome to my smart home. On our Smart Home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Controlling your Sony TV with Apple HomeKit can make your smart home experience more convenient and enjoyable. If your Sony TV supports HomeKit, you can use Siri commands to turn it on, adjust the volume, and perform other tasks. Here's how to set up this integration. First, ensure your Sony TV is HomeKit compatible. Most Sony smart TVs manufactured from 2019 onwards are compatible with Apple HomeKit. Once verified, connect your TV to your Wi-Fi network and enable the Apple HomeKit integration from the TV's settings menu. Open the Apple Home app on your device and select the Add Accessory option. Scan the HomeKit QR code displayed on your TV to link it to the HomeKit network. After the connection is established, your TV will appear in the Home app alongside your other smart home devices. Now you can control your TV using Siri commands. For example, you can say, "Hey Siri, turn on the TV," or "Hey Siri, set the volume to 10." Additionally, you can use the Home app to turn the TV on and off, switch input sources, and synchronize it with other devices using preset scenes. By integrating your Sony TV into the HomeKit ecosystem, you can streamline your daily routines and enhance your smart home experience. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.